A pipeline is an asset you cannot walk, cannot see, and mostly cannot reach. Hundreds of miles of it, often buried. Pipeline SCADA is how a handful of people watch every mile of it, every second. The physics is your friend. A pipeline in steady state is predictable. Pressure and flow at each station relate to each other, and deviations from that relationship are information. So, instrumentation clusters at the stations, pressure and flow at every pump and compressor station, valve positions, tank levels at terminals, each feeding an RTU on site. Station data streams to the SCADA layer, and the operator sees the whole line as one living profile. Pressure cascading station to station, exactly as hydraulics says it should. Leak indication is the sharp edge. Pressure falling at one station while flow rises upstream of it is a signature. Rate of change alarms catch in minutes what a simple limit alarm might miss for hours. Line balance runs continuously. What entered minus what exited, corrected for conditions. A persistent imbalance is a conversation nobody wants, and a number every regulator will ask about. Remote control matters at 3 a.m. An operator isolates a section by closing motorized valves from the console. Minutes instead of the hours a truck roll would take. Regulation is non-negotiable in this space. API 1164 governs pipeline SCADA security, access control, encryption, audit trails, incident response. Auditors check, fines follow. The legacy approach was a dedicated control room and a 7-figure system build. Modern cloud SCADA collapses that. Station RTUs stream encrypted data to a managed platform, and the control room becomes a browser. That is the Merobix model for midstream. Live line visibility, rate of change alarming, audit grade logging mapped to API 1164. At per-site pricing, a gathering system operator can actually justify 200 miles, one screen, 30-second alarms. That is pipeline SCADA doing its job. If this saved you a Google search, subscribe. We publish practical SCADA and oil and gas automation explainers every week. No fluff.